Hey guys, today I will be showing you in this video how to make slime. So all you need is some Dawn soap, dishwashing soap, and uh, any bowl and a spoon. So all you need to do is put the dishwashing soap um, in the bowl, then you mix it really well, like for 2-3 minutes until it starts getting bubbly, and mix it a little more, like two minutes more. Then set it in the freezer for like an hour. Then after an hour, take it out and mix it a little bit. Then put it back in for like a half an hour more. So then when you remove the bowl, it'll turn into slime. So there you go. Then you can enjoy slime and share it with your friends. Okay, thank you.